everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today another episode of a quick bite to make. So today we're making double baked stuffed potatoes, and all what you need, just a few ingredients like bacon, fresh garlic, sour cream, marbled cheddar cheese, and the green onion, and of course the potatoes. So it took me about 50 minutes in the oven on a 400, and I'm using here the white potatoes. So with a few ingredients, a little technique, and you will end it up with the best side dish to have for your meal. So let's begin with the bacon. Your frying pan on a medium heat, and bacon goes in, and we're gonna cook the bacon till nice and crisp. Now the bacon cooking, let's work on the potatoes. So we're gonna cut it in half. We're going to scoop out the potatoes, and you leave about quarter-inch thick skin. Perfect, that's how we're going to do it, and we're gonna do all of them. Now for these, we're gonna give them, we're not going to mash it, we just give it a rough chop. Keep it little cube because that's, we're gonna stuff the potato with it. Now let's check on our bacon. Look at that beautiful crispy bacon. Turn off, and now let's transfer the bacon into a separate bowl. Keep it on a medium, and we're gonna add the chopped potatoes. We're gonna fry the potato in the bacon fat. Chopped garlic, green onion. I'm going to chop the white part, and I'm gonna keep the green one for the garnish on top of the potatoes. This is going to be super yummy stuffed double baked potatoes. So salt and pepper. Look at that beautiful brown crust on the potatoes. Turn off. And now we'll put the bacon. Mix it all together. My God, smells so good. Cheese in the bottom, and I'm using here pre-shredded marbled cheddar cheese. So just a thin layer of cheese in the bottom, and the lovely filling. Look at that, wow. Cheese on top, and ready to go back in the oven. Oven on a 400. Nice. 12 minutes, and look at the result we have. Sour cream, a dry thyme, and of course the green onion we chopped. So the amazing double baked stuffed potato skin for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.